Hi, I'm a travel enthusiast with a job who travels the world, capturing new experiences along the way. Please join me on my adventure around the globe as I make it my goal to bring the world to you. I am Alex Wong, and welcome to my channel. Alright, take two. We're in Jaipur on a bus to Agra to see the Taj Mahal with Ken.
What up?
A lovely bus. We are seats. Got some beds up there.
Our personal fan here. Got the bench. Got our 1930s power port. Got our very well used seatback pocket with lots of shoe grease from centuries of Indian travel.
And hopefully we'll make it there in one piece. See you in Agra. So take two. We're at the North Gate with Han, our tour guide. Hey, Ken, and me. The Taj Mahal, located in Agra, India, is considered to be the greatest architectural achievement in the whole range of Indo-Islamic architecture. So the current entry fee to the Taj Mahal for a foreigner is 1,100 Indian rupees, which is about $15.73. Security can be strict, so be mindful what personal items are permitted, such as a small personal bag, a cell phone, a camera, and a water bottle. You do have the option of hiring a personal tour guide if you would like one. You and the tour guide would negotiate on a price. In our case, we chose Han, and he ended up being a decent tour guide. My recommendation is to visit the Taj Mahal at sunrise and beat the crowd. You'll be able to capture amazing images of the Taj Mahal with the beautiful colors from the sunrise in the background.
Muslims going to pray, that building, the mosque.
Oh, yeah.
That same building, other side, the guest house. But look same, everything symmetrical, no difference.
The other side of the mosque?
No, that's not the mosque. Face to Makkah, western side.
Right.
The eastern side, that not only for the guest house, but look same, symmetrical building balance. Everything symmetrical.
So made out of marble.
This is a white marble, is from Jaipur. Okay. I told you, Jaipur about 400 kilometers.
Right.
That time we not by car, by camel, by elephant, bring here.
For his wife.
Yes, for the wife, because he loved his wife. 14 kids, Mumtaz from Iran, Shah Jahan, Afghanistan. His both buried inside.
Right.
Real down,
Mausoleum.
Real need down we are not allowed. Before allowed. Artificial grave I show you. Okay, sir?
Seven wonders modern day of the world. Number 2, Taj Mahal. Guys, thank you so much for watching my video. If you haven't done so yet, please click that subscribe button below so you don't miss a new episode as I travel the world. I'll see you guys next time, guys. Bye.